No, I mean, if it can be useful, I'm happy to be part of it. I mean, there are some amazing people there that I learned about in school, like Mahatma Gandhi and Peter Benson and and I see Aung San Suu Kyi and Malala and like Mel Mandela and Martin Luther King. It's an amazing company to be included in. So thank you for including me, for sure. And Erin is there, Erin Growell.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's great. I hope kids use it, and I hope the cards do the job that you intend them to do. Yeah, sometimes people think that certain things are just the way they are, and they'll never change, and they'll never be different. And the fact is that change is difficult, but change does take place, and there's so many things. At some point, women thought they'd never be able to vote, or they'd never be able to have the same rights in society, and it's still not ideal, but it's getting there. And look how that has changed. At some point people thought that slavery would be a case forever, and that has stopped. Not that we don't have modern day slavery, but things do move, things do change. And I think we never thought that the Berlin Wall would fall, and it fell. And the change is possible, and it's possible with by involvement of people and the power of people wanting to see that change happen. So it's when it seems like it's impossible, it might take a very long time, but you can be a part of that change. However slowly sometimes that change may happen, but it'll happen faster if you get involved.